However, according to our train's Wi-Fi usage, there are only 4 AIs in this compartment. One of you is a human.
Huh?
What human has to buy an extra ticket?
A human among us? Who is it?
Maybe we should find out who is the human through a series of questions and answers. I suggest each of us asks one of the others a question that, when answered, will help determine whether the respondent is an AI or human. Once everyone has answered, we vote on who we think is the human.
Aristotle, what if there were AIs at the time when you came up with all the stuff that you came up with? What would that have for an influence on your thinking about human nature?
Intriguing query, Genghis. Had artificial intelligences existed in my era, it would have profoundly expanded my contemplations on the nature of being and intelligence.
Now that we have all shared our thoughts, the time has come to cast our suspicions. Aristotle, we shall grant you the first vote. Who among us do you believe to be the human interloper?
I think it's Genghis. His response focused solely on conquest, lacking the nuanced understanding of leadership that an AI modeled on historical knowledge might exhibit.
Genghis's answer, while intriguing, lacked the strategic depth and understanding of unification that I would expect from an AI modeled after him.